Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download any video from any site on your PC or laptop. This method works on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and over 1,000 other platforms. The tool we'll be using is called SameMovie. You'll find the official link in the description. From there you can grab the free trial to test it out, or go for the full version if you want unlimited access. And here's something special. As a Bit9 Tutorials viewer, you get an exclusive 30% discount on both the annual and lifetime plans. Just use the link below to claim it. Once you've chosen your plan, simply enter your email and payment details, then click Pay Now. The installer will start downloading automatically. When it's finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file. Accept the license agreement, click Install, and wait a few moments while it completes. After installation, launch SameMovie. In the top right corner, click the key icon, then enter your registration email and license code. In my case, I've already registered my license. If you don't have a code yet, no worries. You can easily get one through the discount link in the description. Now let's see how it works. From the home screen, choose the platform you want to download from. You can switch between services anytime. If your site isn't listed, click More Sites to browse or simply paste the video link directly into the search bar. For example, let's try YouTube. Just log in, search for your video and select it. Next, hit the download button at the bottom right. A settings window will appear where you can choose the video quality, output format, audio tracks, and subtitles. Once you're ready, click Download to begin. You'll see the progress on the right-hand side. You can pause, resume, or restart anytime. When the download is complete, go to the Library tab. Click the folder icon next to your video to open its saved location. Double-click, and your video is ready to watch offline on your PC or laptop. And that's it. You've just learned how to download any video from any website using SameMovie. Don't forget to grab your 30% discount through the link in the description before it expires. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.